Pacific One News, the news web leader, your exposure to the world.
The trailblazer who has been delivering hits one after the other. And of course, later, quickly he'll be joined by our favorite star cast as well.
I think what is most important is that Stree 1 has a lot of love. I have a nephew who's 8 years old. I don't know why, but he doesn't eat without watching Stree. So kids like it. My mother likes it. So that generation likes it. So I think this Independence Day, which is a holiday, we as a country like being together. So I think the fact that it's a film where everybody can go and see it, you know, be it a child, be it a parent, be it your grand, it gives you the opportunity to experience it. And also I think this time Amar has managed to make it bigger, crazier, and though he'll answer all your questions, he's going to give you some questions also. Hope. So it's a film, I think right now here, not many people have seen the film because it's just been delivered. But I think it's one of the best films we've made because of the experience it gives you. So when you're in a theater, you'll really enjoy it. And somewhere I think today the audience and the media has become very intelligent. They can sense what the film is offering. And that's why, you know, we can talk about numbers and all, but the fact is it's love, right? It's not numbers. People have come with love, and, you know, I hope it lives up to all their expectations. And if that happens, I think we'll be really, really, really happy.
स्त्री मेरे लिए बहुत ही स्पेशल फिल्म है जो दिनेश विजन और अमर कौशिक ने मुझे दी है. सो फॉर मी इतनी स्पेशल फिल्म है, इतना सारा प्यार मिला है फिल्म को. अभी पार्ट 2 आ गई है और जो एक्साइटमेंट हम देख रहे हैं लोगों में वो बहुत ही हम्बलिंग है. एंड इट्स वेरी स्पेशल टू बी हियर इन दिल्ली. दिल्ली मेरा दूसरा घर है. बहुत वक्त बिताया यहाँ पे बचपन में. एंड जब मेरे बापू ने आशिकी देखी थी ना, उन्होंने दिल्ली में देखी थी और उन्होंने कहा कि दिल्ली की जो एनर्जी है, पॉजिटिव वाइब्स है. और मेरे बापू ने फिल्म देखी तो वो पॉजिटिव एनर्जी आई फील कि दैट फ्राइडे ऑल्सो चेंज्ड एवरीथिंग फॉर मी. सो एक बहुत ही सिमिलर फीलिंग महसूस हो रहा है. स्त्री भी वैसी ही फिल्म है, मेरे लिए बहुत दिल के करीब है. एंड जस्ट एज डीनू सेड कि it's got so much love that we really, really hope that everyone gets entertained, everyone goes to the theatres and watches it with their families and their friends and just has a great time. This is my film that I am very, very proud of. So it's a very good feeling.
How sweet. Thank you so much, Shraddha. And now, of course, over to you, Rajkumar. Welcome back home. And welcome back home with Stree 2 as well. We are more than excited to see you back on screen. Whenever you are up there, you leave us awestruck with your talent. And now we are back again. How do you feel about it?
I feel absolutely thrilled. I feel even more thrilled because today the whole gang is here. Stree is these people and Pankaj ji, of course. It's so much fun to be a part of this film. It's such a special film for all of us. Stree ने हमेशा हमें सिर्फ दिया है. I think हम सबके करियर में एक बहुत लंबी जंप दी थी Stree 1 ने. और आई थिंक Stree 2 जो है दोबारा एक बहुत लंबी जंप हमको देने वाली है. और ये सब पॉसिबल हुआ है बिकॉज ऑफ योर लव. Stree इज़ नॉट आवर फिल्म, Stree इज़ योर फिल्म. ये आपकी फिल्म है, आपने इसको इतना प्यार दिया, आपने इसको इतना बड़ा बनाया. एंड वी आर सो थ्रिल्ड कि वी आर बैक विद Stree 2 बिकॉज हमको बहुत मज़ा आया बनाने में. वी हैड अ ग्रेट टाइम ऑलवेज. व्हेनेवर वी ऑल आर टुगेदर वी हैड अ ग्रेट टाइम. वी हैव अ ग्रेट टाइम. और हमें पता है कि हमको जितना मज़ा आया उससे ज़्यादा मज़ा आपको स्क्रीन पर आने वाला है. सो आज से प्रीव्यू शो स्टार्ट हो गए हैं. जो रिपोर्ट्स आ रही हैं दे आर ओवरवेलमिंग. वी आर ऑन क्लाउड 9. वी आर ऑल ग्रेटफुल. देयर इज लॉट ऑफ ग्रैटिट्यूड. सो थैंक यू सो मच इतना प्यार देने के लिए आपकी अपनी ही फिल्म को. तो प्लीज़ जैसे हमने पहले भी कहा, स्पॉयलर्स के लिए बोलिए सबको ना दें, जाकर फिल्म देखें. हैव अ ग्रेट टाइम एट मूवीज गाइज.
Congratulations once again. और हमारे बिट्टू जना से भी हम पूछना चाहेंगे. अमर, we would also love to know from you what is the sort of excitement you are having. Nervousness है, खुशी है. What are all those emotions?
यार I think first of all, एक तो यार गला खराब है लेकिन नीयत बिल्कुल ठीक. I think without sounding too much, Stree 1 got a paradigm shift to the way we made films in our country. और अगर हम उसका second part लेकर आ रहे हैं तो of course it's bigger, better, funnier, scarier, सब एक साथ. आप numbers आप सबके लिए सामने हैं देखने के लिए, and you know just spoke about the advance booking, वो सब एक तरफ है, वो सब numbers हैं और वो सब I think आप सबके लिए available हैं. One thing which you might not know is that what makes, for me, which makes Stree 2 very, very special is that each and every person attached to this film came back after 5-6 years with a certain kind of growth, with a certain kind of love. Each and every person had an amazing journey in their individual careers. And lastly, all those people were present there. Sab wahi actors, wahi producer, wahi director, and to top it all, which really, is the nail on the coffin for me, is ki ADs bhi same the. Vidhi, Vivasha, everyone. This is an unprecedented situation कि second part बनने जा रहा है और crew भी same है. So I think this is something which makes our team very special. And Touchwood, I think we are here for another round of Touchwood, big numbers, Touchwood.
Pacific One News, the news web leader. Your exposure to the world.